The Corona is one of the largest electrical engineering company in Bangladesh. We are in existence last 30 years, and traditionally we do business with Western Europe for last 30 years, and on the eastern part that we never did any business before. Slovenia is not very active in Bangladesh at the moment, but now the Slovenian company want to come to Bangladesh more and more to develop their business. The last year in September I came to Slovenia to see the factories here. Then within last 1 year, so we have developed a lot of business with Slovenian companies in energy sector, and we see a lot more project, the big energy project in Bangladesh, not only energy, in other sector like food, chemicals and service sector, and also in the infrastructure project, big Slovenian companies can be involved.